Few vehicles blend brute American muscle and commercial hauling like the rarely acknowledged 1975 Dodge Monaco Semi Truck, a forgotten beast from the golden era of industrial power. While the Monaco name is most famously tied to Dodge's full-size sedans, especially the one immortalized in the Blues Brothers, Dodge did experiment during the 90s with badge engineering and crossover designs under the Monaco name, even exploring heavy-duty platforms to rival emerging market demands. The semi-truck variant was part of Chrysler's strategy to penetrate deeper into commercial transportation, and though it never achieved mainstream fame like models from Kenworth or Peterbilt, the 1975 Monaco Semi Truck stands as an obscure yet compelling symbol of Dodge's experimentation in the heavy-duty space. Under the hood, the Monaco Semi Truck typically featured a Cummins NTC 290 diesel engine, a robust 14.0-liter inline-six capable of producing around 290 horsepower, and a massive 1,100 pounds-ft of torque. Paired with a Fuller 9-speed manual transmission, this setup offered durable performance for the long hauls. The chassis shared much of its underpinnings with Dodge's heavy-duty Ls, offering a rugged frame, tandem rear axles, and steel leaf suspension systems that emphasized hauling strength over creature comforts. The cab design borrowed aesthetic cues from Dodge's road cars, including squared-off panels, wide grilles, and heavy chrome bumpers, making it stand out visually among the more utilitarian offerings from Freightliner and Mack during the same era. In comparison to its contemporaries, like the 1975 Kenworth W900 or the International Trans 4300, the Monaco Semi Truck was more of a stylistic outlier than a volume competitor. While Kenworth offered more customizability and International had a broader commercial footprint, the Dodge Monaco aimed to attract fleet buyers looking for Chrysler reliability with a bold design edge. The Monaco lacked some of the refinement in cabin ergonomics and suspension comfort found in its rivals, but it made up for it with straightforward mechanical robustness and the brand loyalty Dodge had cultivated among American buyers. Historically, the Monaco Semi Truck didn't leave a wide legacy in terms of production numbers or industry disruption, but it remains a fascinating footnote in Dodge's commercial ambitions. Its rarity has turned surviving models into niche collector's items, especially among vintage truck enthusiasts and Mopar purists. As the trucking world turns toward electric drivetrains and automation, the 1975 Dodge Monaco Semi Truck serves more as a time capsule than a technological benchmark. However, its bold styling and brute force engineering may inspire retro-modern in concept form or cinematic depictions, symbolizing the unapologetic power of a bygone era. In a future that values both nostalgia and electric innovation, the Monaco name could someday resurface.